Okay, I'm going to walk you guys through a fractions problem. At the beginning of our fractions unit, we started out learning about parts of a set. That's kind of our introduction to fractions. So these questions are seemingly easy, but they can get tricky when there's different wording that tries to kind of confuse the students. So I want to make sure that the first thing that we're doing, as usual, is going through and finding important information. So I'm going to read through the problem so that we can survey the whole question, and then we'll really dig into that information. Joanna drew several groups of stars. Only one group of stars has exactly 1/4 of the stars shaded. Which group of stars has 1/4 shaded? So, of course, the first thing I'm going to do, find that important information, okay? So, we know that one group of stars has exactly 1/4. And what I like them to do is draw a little line off and explain what that means. So, 1/4 would mean one star out of 4 stars. So they would write that explaining what that fraction meant. And then it says 1/4 of the stars shaded. That's very, very important because a lot of the questions will ask how many are not shaded or how many are not colored, things like that. So you want to make sure that they see that. They're looking for the darkened stars. And we're looking for which group has 1/4 shaded. So we know that one star will be shaded out of 4 total stars. And this may seem like a lot of work, but it really, really helps our students figure out what the question's really asking them. So we're looking for, of course, 4 total stars. So we can go through and find which one of these does not have 4 total stars. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, so that's a maybe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That cannot be our answer because there are 5 stars. And I like them to write out why it cannot be the answer. That really helps them determine which of these is a viable option. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stars. That cannot be our answer. And then this has 1, 2, 3, 4 stars. So that's a maybe because it has 4 stars. I'm going to put 4 stars up here too, just to remind myself. Now that we've eliminated B and C, it makes it easy because we only have 2 answer choices. So now we're looking for which one has 1 star shaded out of the 4. So this one does not have 1 star shaded. This has 3 stars shaded. So I'm going to write 3 stars shaded. Now I know that that can't be our answer because it wants 1 star shaded, so I'm going to cross that out and move on to my last option. This one, yes, it does have 1 star shaded. So we know that that is definitely our answer because there's 1 star shaded out of a total of 4 stars. So we could go ahead and bubble that in. And now that we're getting closer to star testing, I do want to remind you guys to bubble in nice, neat, and dark and make sure that there are no stray marks. These would be considered stray marks. So if I was using a pencil, I would go back and erase those. Okay, and that is our intro to fractions.